Hi guys, this is Eggy the Guy from London. Our vlog is about Lourdes Sanctuary in France. Is it the peaceful place on earth? My answer is yes. Napakaraming pilgrims, pero hindi nakaka-stress. And yung hotel namin is less than 5 minutes lang going to the sanctuary. And parang retreat house siya. Kaya panoorin nyo guys at mag-e-enjoy kayo sa vlog at nakaka-relax siya. And para sa mga OFWs natin, meron pong tap send. Bakit tap send? Number 1, use Egay the Guy as promo code as bonus for first time users. Number 2, mataas ang exchange rate. Number 3, walang remittance fees going to your bank account at less than 5 minutes nasa bank accounts na. Kaya tap send para sa inyong padala. Enjoy the vlog!
Today, look at the sunrise. It's my birthday. Thank you. See you later. We made it, guys, in the airport. We're just having Burger King. And we'll go to the gate afterwards. Just for a while. Breakfast, wow. Very nice. You taste the egg and the sausage McMuffin. Guys, we're here in the airport and we're now in the airplane. No? Pakahirap. Security lahat. Pero we made it sa aeroplano. So we'll be flying 2 hours to Lourdes. We're very excited. Palakpakan, parang Pinas lang. Maraming kabayan nandito. We're now here, so that's our airplane at the back. See you. We're waiting for the bus here. 12 o'clock, so it's 11:45. Daming tao. There's lots of people, no? Waiting for the bus going to Paradise. So we're in the bus now. We're in the bus. It's jam-packed. Yung iba hindi nakasakay. Hindi nakasakay dito. Kaya swerte namin. Thank you, Lord. First stop ng bus, no? Bago ang Paradise. Dapat tingin ko yun parang simbahan baka yun. Parang mahal na araw. Dami na. Pentecost pa na ngayon. Sunday. We arrived dito sa Paradis, no? Ang mahirap is hanapin yung hotel. Nag-download ako ng map eh. Hopefully ito yung
Wrong way, other
tama
way.
yung nilalakaran namin. Hotel Paradis. Ayun. La Solitude. Okay, diretso lang, diretso. Ang linis guys ng ng tubig dito. Amazing. Ganda, daming tao. Ito yung hotel namin, Hotel La Solitude, Ang dami. Disiplinado talaga mga tao, Ang linis. Daming tao, daming pilgrimage. Or pilgrims, nagki-pilgrimage sila. Dami rin mga militar. We arrived guys sa hotel namin. Ito Hotel La Solitude. So we'll chat you for a while, no? Check in lang kami. We're coming from is the toilet. Small toilet bowl. Another one for urine. Wow. Oh, there's a bathtub. Justin. Wow.
Look!
Very nice view.
Mama!
Very nice view from our room. Wow. The river.
Amazing!
Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day.
Yay!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday!
We're looking for supermarket. Come on, come on. Very nice church, It's like you're in the Philippines. Come, come, come. Let's go here. Sounds nice. Waiting, Yan. Kuha tayo ng tuna. Kuha tayo. Pinaintindihan naman nila. Pati ko isa. Bili na tayo ng ng tuna, 5 euros lang. Mura to, Mura. Mura yun. So, ganda simbahan, Kain na tayo, guys. Let's taste tuna. Matigas yung tinapay pero sarap. May mga onions kasi. Baget kasi baget. Sarap. Enjoy ko muna. This is the train. Oh yeah. Train. Basilic. Thank you.
Amazing!
Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Coke dyan. Medyo need ng katahimikan. Tahimik lang tayo. So there's the church. Here's the Mama Mary. We go there. Confession. Sobrang laki niya eh. Kailangan mo talaga siya aralin muna. Ayan o.
Lamig.
Sarap. Lamig. Isa pa. Very nice, huh? Very nice. Ganda ng river, oh. Linis talaga. Talagang maraming blessing ngayon. Nasa kinadami-dami pa, oh. Naiputan pa. Ganun talaga buhay. Buti dyan hindi sa damit, no? Ayan, may misa na. Ganda talaga dito. Ayan, oh, nakita niyo yung river, oh. Ang ganda. We're back here in the sanctuary. Meron daw Marian procession. Procession Marian.
May mas pa siya, 10:30 ng gabi, grabe.
10:30 may mass pa daw, oh. Kaya ayan, oh. Lapit lang namin eh. Baka makatama siya ako dito. Hello, we're just walking here. Military pilgrimage pala ngayon.
Amazing!
Ayan, ang dami nila sa kalye. Kaya masarap dito. Ayun, maglakad-lakad. So, babalik na kami sa hotel. Ito ang alaga ko gusto na magpahinga. Balik na tayo sa hotel. Ito na yung hotel namin, napakalapit.